What's going on, everyone? I'm Liam here from the Toronto studio, and in this video we're going to talk about how to successfully promote your business on social media. So stay tuned and check it out. Now, this isn't going to be a video about photography or graphics tricks. This is going to be about how you are going to get eyes on your content, how you're going to get people engaged with your content in a way that they're going to want to click and they're going to want to go to your website and learn more about you. That's what this video is about. So if you're looking for photography or Photoshop or Illustrator tutorial, this isn't it. So just letting you know. Anyways, so moving on from there, people forget what social media is so powerful for, and it's connecting people through visual storytelling. Visual storytelling is literally the most profitable business in the last 10 years. And if you don't believe me, check out Netflix, check out Amazon Prime, check out Disney Plus, check out Hulu, check out Tubi. The list goes on and on. So telling your story is what's going to really make your business stand out. But there are some tricks, there are some tips on how to tell your story so that people want to engage. And the first one is, it can't be you focused. It can't all be about me, what I'm doing, what I'm up to. No, it needs to do more than that. Unless you're a blogger or entertainer. If you're a business, it can't be, you just taking photos of yourself, expecting your business or product or service to sell. Like I said, unless you are a blogger or an influencer. And if that's the case, well then that's what you got to do. But in this video, this isn't going to help you. So from going on there, you also need to focus on what is your story? What is your message to the world? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to help 1,000 people sell their homes by the end of the year? Or are you looking to cook a million burgers? Are you looking to, build houses in Egypt? Or are you looking to sell cars? What is your story? Like, tell them what your story is, and then write it down. Write your story down. About, my name is Gary and I am selling used cars, and I loved putting people into used cars that make them feel happy and good about themselves from someone they trust. That is an example. And then in your content, reflect that story. Get customers to talk about your service, talk about who you are, talk about the wonderful things you're doing for them in service of them, not in service of you. Not because you want to be famous or you want to be seen online, because people won't care about that. You won't grow that way. And I know you might debate that. You say, well, there's a lot of social media influencers out there that are doing that. And they're entertainers, right? And if you're an entertainer, like a musician or something, then that's different. But if you're a business wanting to grow, that's not going to work. You have to service a community. You have to service your audience with great content and a story that makes them want to care and trust you. Okay? And once you can get them to care about what it is you're saying, how you're saying it, and they trust you, then they're going to want to buy from you or work with you or take your coaching service or whatever. But, and this is the but, it needs to start with good quality storytelling. Think of your favorite movie. What's your favorite movie? How did it make you feel? You capture that feeling. Have you watched it more than once? Do you watch it when you're down or when you're sad or when you're happy and you just want it? Right. What made it so special to you? Think about that. And now ask those same questions when it comes to creating your social media content. What is going to make it so special to your audience? And that is what's going to make you stand out online. Because remember, there's thousands of hours of content being posted every day to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, etc. Why are people going to click on your video over someone else's? That's what you got to ask yourself. Honestly, that's what you truly got to ask yourself. Because if you are just posting and saying, well, because they want to see me, That's not good enough. That's truly not good enough. You really need to tap into some sort of special message to get them to watch your story. And yes, pepper your services and products in there. I mean, if you watch our videos up on our channel, you'll see I do that. I tell the story of what we do, which is help people, help businesses, build dreams, and that's what we love doing. We love building dreams for people at the Toronto studio. But I don't just, promote that. I talk about things that people care about. And when people care about this stuff, they might say, hey, well, I'm interested in what this guy's offering. Hey, maybe this guy, is a trustworthy guy and I should give him my business. That is how it works to promote your business on social media. And I advise you to check out 20 or 30 other videos because I'm sure they're going to say the same thing. Anyways, I'm Liam Zalatak from the Toronto studio. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. We would love to create a custom video for you. And I look forward to seeing you all in our next post. Thanks. Bye.